Hello KPS Gamaria, welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial. This is S Pradhan. Today in this tutorial we are going to print star in alphabetical A shape. So first we will see what are the requirement, or we can say concept used in our code. Here we can see stars are in different row and column. To print row and column, we can divide the stars in different row and column. So row we are having 0 to 6, and the column we having 0 to 4. That means row we having a 7 and column we having a 5. So let's divide this into a row and column. So for that we are using to for loop, and next we are using if else condition to print star in particular place of row and column, not in all places. For this we are using row to print and to count the number of lines, and column to print the number of stars. For this we are using and or not logical operator. If both the row and column are true, then only it will print the output. So let's see here, when the row equal to 0, then it will print in the place of row 0 and the column 1, 2 and 3. That means when the column is greater than 0 and less than equal to 4, then only it will print the 3 star in the place of column 1, 2 and 3. Next is when row equal 3. On that time it will print 3 star in the place of column 1, 2 and 3. Here also the same condition, column greater than 0 and column less than 4. When these two conditions are true, then only it will print the star. Next we are having a when the column equal 0 but row not equal to 0, on that time it will print in the place of row 1 and the column 0, row 2 and the column 0, row 3 and the column 0, row 4 column 0, row 5 column 0, row 6 column 0. So here it will print 6 star. In the same way, when the column equal 4 but row not equal to 0, on that time also it will print the same. So this is the way to print the star in row and column wise. So let's do our program. Do the A letter shape pattern program. INT R for row, C for column. Here for loop, R is equal to 0, it will start from 0, R less than equal to 6, R plus plus. Curly brace open for the row. For loop, column will start from 0, column less than equal to 4, column plus plus. This is the printing for the column, and this is for counting the number of line. If row equal 0 or row equal 3 and column greater than 0 and column less than 4, then first condition. Second conditions are C equal 0 or C equal 4 but R not equal to 0, on that time it will print, this will combine the if, then it will print system dot out dot print star else system dot out print blank curly braces close for column loop system dot out print ln for changing the line, this one for closing the row loop, this one for public, this one for class. Compile this program. Here there is a change in the bracket. Compile this program, close, right click, void main, okay. Here you can see the A. If you want to print in different pattern, here you have to put bracket and here you have to put bracket, and here you have to put one more bracket, and here you have to put one more bracket, and here you have to put bracket. Compile this program and see the output. Here is the different shape of the A. Close. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.